Okay, people, today I will show you how to fix driver signature in enforcement. I will type raising to LibreOffice and I will write down what steps you're supposed to do because in my case this was working. First step. Okay. Wait for me because I have to change user interface. Direct cursor load. Second step. Command which will disable this. I think this is that command which is supposed to type. I will have to double check because I can't remember if I was typing command correctly. I just will have to check people. Okay, forgotten. Sometimes it's hard to remember when the command is too long. Let's delete .exe if you want to add the extension set. You will make space and then you will make slash. Because when you use this command, what this does, this disables uh, driver signature enforcement. After when I disabled, I fixed my driver power state failure. The issue with USB driver. I have to check something because sometimes I didn't encounter problems before. I will have to check if I disabled something in Windows. This shouldn't happen, but I probably didn't disable. Hmm. I don't know why this has disconnected. Maybe hard drive is oh yes, this is why happened. If when you encounter that issue, you can disable generic USB hub. This option allows computer to turn device off. I didn't do that. That is why my backup unfortunately who did not finish, but I will do once again. After I showed you, you should be okay because that fixed my issue with error, name of error. Hopefully this will fix driver power state failure. After when I use the command to disable driver signature enforcement, I no longer get error. But you can also do that. Wait a minute, I will have to save maybe on the desktop. Notice. When you want to restart, you can press shift. When you hold the shift and when you restart, this will cause your PC to boot to advanced options. So you can go to troubleshoot advanced options, and well, you can later on press button 7 before you boot up PC to disable driver signature enforcement. That was causing driver hour state failure. Hopefully this will fix your issue. I don't know what is your issue, your processor, but I got AMD Ryzen CPU. I don't know, maybe if you have the same processor, RAM, and motherboard, I will have to show you because I don't know what processor do you have. Because you may have different PC than I got. Mainboard. Okay, if you have the same, this should apply graphics card processor. If most of you have the same processor, this should fix driver power state failure if you disable driver signature enforcement. See you guys.